Let's address the key challenges that emerged from our last product launch during today's meeting.
A thorough analysis of customer feedback should give us insight into areas requiring immediate improvement.
Agreed. Additionally, let's identify actionable steps for each department to implement these changes. Entering the South American market requires us to consider local economic conditions and consumer behavior deeply.
Collaborating with local firms could provide us with the insights and distribution network necessary for success.
Let's identify potential partners and start preliminary discussions next quarter.
To streamline our discussions, I propose we use a decision matrix to evaluate each strategic initiative presented today.
That sounds efficient. It will help us quantify the impact and feasibility of each option.
Exactly, and it will enable us to make decisions based on data-driven insights. Integrating blockchain technology could revolutionize our data security protocols.
Absolutely. The transparency and immutability of blockchain provide a substantial security enhancement.
Let's pilot a blockchain project within our supply chain division to test its real-world application.
Our digital advertising efforts need to be more targeted and culturally relevant to increase engagement in overseas markets.
Perhaps utilizing geo-targeting and local language content will yield better conversion rates.
Exactly. Let's also monitor the performance closely and adjust our strategies accordingly. The turnover rate in our tech department is concerning. We need a strategy to improve employee retention.
Implementing a more competitive benefits package and career development opportunities could be effective.
Let's survey the team to identify their needs and preferences.
We're expanding the team rapidly. It's crucial to maintain a strong company culture amid this growth.
Regular team-building activities and maintaining open lines of communication might help preserve our core values.
Good points. Let's organize monthly meetup and set up a forum for sharing ideas and feedback. We need to address the scalability issues of our current platforms to support our growth strategy.
Upgrading our infrastructure to support elastic scalability could be key. This would allow us to manage load dynamically.
Initiate a cost-benefit analysis to determine if the investment aligns with our long-term objectives.
Enhancing our leadership development programs is vital for preparing managers for higher responsibilities.
Agreed. Let's integrate leadership coaching and advanced management training courses into our development plans.
We should also evaluate the effectiveness of these programs regularly to ensure they meet our strategic goals.
Before we conclude, let's summarize the main points and assign responsibilities for the next steps.
I'll document the outcomes and circulate the minutes by tomorrow.
Please ensure that deadlines are clear and that each team understands their deliverables.
To maximize our impact at the international trade show, we should consider a multi-channel promotional strategy.
Incorporating online campaigns, live demonstrations, and strategic partnerships can enhance our visibility and lead generation.
Draft a proposal outlining each component and estimated ROI for review.
Our AI-driven analytics tool is showing promising results in predictive modeling.
The next step should be to enhance its machine learning algorithms for even more accuracy.
Agreed. Let's allocate additional resources to develop these capabilities further.